Hey guys, welcome back again to another new video. So today we're going to make jollof rice for the first time. So stay tuned and enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe at the end of this video. We're gonna start by washing. We already washed. You're not gonna remove this. The paprika. Let's start by cutting the paprika.
Yeah.
Into pieces.
5, 4, 5,
Oops.
6, 7.
Put it here. Now take the red one.
Yeah.
Do this here. I'm not going to use spices because Adrian is going to eat the food. So we're just going to make a plain one. And next time we'll make it with meat. Yeah? So.
Wow. So nice.
Gonna make our tomatoes.
Yeah.
Gonna put this in the oven. Put it here. I'm gonna blend this afterwards.
Hear me out.
So making our jello. This is the last tomato.
Get outside and do this. And the last one.
Yeah, then we can move this pot over here. Gonna add in now our garlic. Just cut here in the middle. Let me show you.
Okay.
Yeah, like this. Then add in some little oil.
Yep.
I put some little bit of oil in our garlic. Not too much, just small. Like this. Then you put it here. Put the other one too, because we need it.
And essen by das. Und
So,
essen by...
I put too much. So, gonna cut in our ginger.
Yeah.
Put our ginger somewhere here. Gonna cut in our onion.
Wow. I do like onion.
So popping on the food, okay? So get out of here. So this is how everything looks like.
Yeah.
Gonna put now in the oven.
Yeah.
There you go. This is for the second step. We're gonna fry in our. I put some oil and then you're gonna fry in our tomatoes. The second step, we're gonna be adding our tomato paste. We're gonna let this cook for like 15 minutes as a side. Add more. We're gonna cook it for 15 minutes. Keep on stirring.
Wow.
And don't cover it. The oven, we have at least 20 more minutes to wait for it. So you have to put it in the oven for 40 minutes. So just took it from the oven, and then now you're going to blend this. You're gonna put in a blender. For your lemon, for your ginger, just squeeze it, then it comes out. This is the ginger. So as you can see, everything is out from the ginger. Now I'm gonna blend it. So guys, I just put it here, and it is too thick. I'm gonna add in some oil. So after cooking it for like 20 minutes, I don't know why it turns so dark. I don't know if it's my lighting, but it's red, as you can see, and the camera is not visible. Go ahead and add in my spices right now, and then I continue. Nothing is burnt, as you can see. Nothing is burnt. The color has really changed. I'm doing this for the first time. So guys, I've just added my spices. I'm just gonna go ahead and stir it, and then we add our rice. Guys, I just added 1.5 cup of rice. Then I'm going to stir it, and then I will add little water. It's important you don't add too much water on your. Don't add in too much water on your rice, otherwise you're gonna get a very bad rice. Guys, now go ahead and cover this. Don't put too much water. Just gonna go ahead and cover it. Guys, let us see the food now. Oh, it looks good. The lighting is bad, but it looks good. This is the jollof rice, as they call it. So I'm just gonna put in on my onion and my tomato and my butter right now, the last step. Then this water from the tomato is going to make the upper part to cook well right now. So last process, and then the jollof rice is done. I'm just going to stir it, and then yeah.
Mommy,